Can you imagine creating your own animated cartoons without knowing how to draw and without having a professional animation studio? Well, now you can thanks to artificial intelligence. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a full animated cartoon using AI.
No war, yes peace, forever, forever.
By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn any idea into an animated video completely on your own, from the story all the way to characters that talk and move. And here's the crazy part. We're going to do everything inside a single platform. No complicated software, no animation experience, no drawing skills. With just a bit of creativity and the right AI tools, you can create content that looks like it took a full studio to produce. And yes, this workflow is designed to create videos that can go viral. Before we jump into the steps, I want to show you what we're going to build. Right after this intro, you'll see a short animated sample video that we created using this exact workflow. Ready to be impressed? Let's do it.
Until I'm king.
In a world where size is everything, sometimes the greatest hero is the one you least expect.
And then I looked that heron right in the eye and said, "Not today, Featherbrain, not today."
But Mr. Vane, the environmental report, this lake is a sanctuary. What about the local wildlife?
Local wildlife? I don't care if there are unicorns down there. I want this factory operational by Tuesday.
To save his home, he must cross the frontier of the known world.
You have to do something. The water is dying.
There are forces beyond our control, little one. The world of humans is relentless.
But there has to be hope. What about the great ocean? What about the legends of the Guardian?
If that legend is true, the journey will be more dangerous than you can imagine.
You lost, Jelly Bean? Did you fall out of a toy box? I'm not a toy. I'm looking for help. Someone strong enough to break steel.
Hello. I've come to make you an offer you can't refuse.
Oh, really? Does it include tartar sauce?
Pretty insane, right? Everything you just watched was created 100% with AI inside Dzine. The story, the images, the animation, the voices, all of it. Now let me show you exactly how to create this step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Create the story using AI. Every great animation starts with a great story. Start with a core idea. First, decide what your animation is about. It could be a fantasy adventure, a school comedy, a clumsy superhero, or something completely wild. The key is to have a clear genre and tone. Use AI to write the script. Now we'll use generative AI to write the story. You can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini 3 Pro Preview to generate the full script. These tools can create complete stories from just a simple prompt. For example, you could ask, "Write a short story about a brave axolotl who protects his lake from pollution and goes on an adventure to save his home." The AI will generate a story with a beginning, middle, and end. Characters, often even dialogue. Make sure the story includes who the main characters are, what motivates them, what happens in each scene. Add visual details. While reviewing the story, pay close attention to visual descriptions. Details like what the characters are wearing, where the scene takes place, the overall atmosphere. For example, The axolotl has soft pink skin, feathery gills, big expressive eyes, and a small blue cape. The more visual detail you have here, the easier everything becomes later. Once the story is done, divide it into individual scenes. For example, Scene 1. The axolotl appears in a close-up shot talking directly to the camera. Scene 2. The axolotl talks with a friendly crab character. Scene 3. The axolotl reacts with surprise while listening to bad news. Each scene should represent one clear visual moment. This makes the entire production process much easier. Viral tip: stories that perform best usually include emotion, humor, or surprise. Don't be afraid to ask the AI for unexpected twists or crazy ideas. That's often what makes a video memorable and shareable. Step 2. Generate scene images, text to image. Now comes the visual magic, turning text into images. We'll use Dzine's text-to-image tool to generate an image for each scene, using an advanced AI model called Nano Banana Pro. What is Nano Banana Pro? Nano Banana Pro is a next-generation image generation model developed by Google DeepMind. Built on top of Gemini 3, it can generate highly detailed images, maintain strong visual consistency, produce studio-quality results, output images up to 4K resolution, perfect for animated cartoons. How to generate scene images 1. Open text to image in Dzine. Inside Dzine, go to the text-to-image tool and select Nano Banana Pro. 2. Write the scene prompt. Take your first scene and describe it clearly. Cute, anthropomorphic axolotl with pink skin, feathery gills and a small blue cape. Close-up shot, facing the camera, friendly expression, soft underwater background, 3D cartoon style. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result. 3. Generate the image. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Dzine will create an image based on your description. Review it carefully. If something doesn't look right, adjust the prompt and generate again. Iteration is normal and encouraged. 4. Repeat for each scene. Generate one image per scene, keeping the same art style, the same visual tone. If you start with 3D cartoon style, use that in every scene. By the end, you'll have a full set of scene images ready to animate. Extra tip: you can experiment with styles like Studio Ghibli style, Pixar-inspired, retro cartoon, anime-style lighting. Nano Banana Pro handles style variations extremely well, so don't be afraid to experiment. Step 3. Keep characters consistent. One of the biggest challenges in AI animation is character consistency. We don't want our character looking different in every scene. Create a character sheet. Once you generate the first good image of a character, use it as a reference. You can create a character sheet by generating front view, side view, neutral pose, using the exact same description. Use Dzine's consistent character tools. Dzine includes tools like Consistent Character, which allow the AI to remember a character's appearance across multiple generations. You can upload a character image, and Dzine will maintain that look in future scenes. This is a huge time saver and makes your animation look professional. Reuse descriptions and references. For every new scene, use the same character description. Upload previous images as references when possible. Dzine also supports image-to-image and reference-to-video, which helps lock in consistency. Keep the art style consistent. Use the same model, Nano Banana Pro, and similar style prompts throughout the entire project. By the end of this step, all your scenes should look like they belong to the same animated movie. Now for the most exciting part, bring in everything to life. We'll use AI video models available inside Dzine, including Veo 3.1, Sora 2, These are among the most advanced AI video models available, known for cinematic motion and realistic movement. How to animate each scene. 1. Open Video AI in Dzine. Go to the Video AI section and choose Image to Video. 2. Upload the scene image. This image becomes the base frame for the animation. 3. Choose the video model. 4. Describe the motion. Example: the axolotl blinks, slightly moves its head and mouth while talking, facial expressions, and the camera stays mostly still. 5. Generate the video. The AI will create a short animated clip. If the result isn't perfect, regenerate or try the other model. Iteration is part of the process. 6. Repeat for all scenes. Animate each image until your full story is covered with video clips. Step 5. Add dialogue and lip sync. No cartoon is complete without voices. Prepare the audio. You can record your own voice. Use AI text-to-speech. Use Dzine's built-in AI dialogue generator. Split audio by scene or character. Apply lip sync to videos. Upload the animated video. The audio file Dzine's lip sync. I will automatically sync mouth movement to speech. Lip sync on images, optional. You can also apply lip sync directly to a single image, animating only the mouth. Perfect for close-ups or quick dialogue moments. Review and adjust, check timing and audio levels. Small tweaks can make a big difference. You've just created a full animated cartoon using AI entirely inside Dzine. Story, images, animation, voices, lip sync, all in one platform. What do you think? You created an animated cartoon without a studio, without a team, and without drawing skills. This is the power of AI, and it's available right now. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe. Share this video with other creators and tell me in the comments, what story would you animate using AI? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!